Someone commented, there will be never an altcoin season. I don't agree. To be serious, another trigger for an altcoin season is 日期Fs. Look at this. Look at data. These new 日期Fs could get approved in middle 2026, right? The first 4 日期Fs could be LTC, HBAR, ADA, and 周期. If they get approved, it means a lot of stock investors, stock institutions can buy them easily. A lot of new buyers, bro. The second one is crucial, crypto index. If this one gets approved, oh my god, with one click, people, institutions, buyers simply buy the top 20 altcoins at once. This is a game changer. It's like a crypto S&P 500. And the next one could be more important. I call it a God tier ETF. For me, I'll explain it in my next video.